Hi, welcome to the course on explosions and safety. I'm Prasad Patnaik from IIT Madras. This course will be predominantly taught by Professor K. Ramamurthy. I'm glad to be associated with this course. Let me provide a brief outline about this course. A variety of explosions are abound both in nature and technology. To be able to safeguard against these explosions, it's very important that we understand the physical processes responsible for such explosions. Uh, any explosion is typically due to the release of a high energy material. It can be a sudden release of energy, and that sudden release of energy is the source of generation of a blast wave. Therefore, in this course, about 10 lectures will be spent on understanding uh, and characterizing blast waves. We are going to see the effects of blast waves. We can see a collage of effects. Typically, a blast wave generation is possible due to a landmine explosion, due to a bomb explosion. It's very important that we as engineers are able to develop better protection strategies and design methodologies to be able to both, of course, generate explosions as well as develop safety standards against such explosions based on the nature of requirements. It's also important that we understand how the waves essentially travel. They have different levels of effects in terms of understanding their propagation and the nature of primary, secondary, and tertiary effects which are typically possible due to blast waves. Let us try to take a overview of this course. The intended audience, of course, are engineering students, practicing engineers. They can be with backgrounds in mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, aerospace engineering, even materials and metallurgy, uh, of course, as well as applied mechanics. The background that is expected is some bit of background in mechanics as well as thermodynamics, and industries which can possibly be interested in, with already working engineers could be engineers coming from chemicals and explosives related, army, navy, air force, defense, etc. could be part and parcel of this target audience. Let us quickly try to see the textbooks which will be used for this course. Of course, Professor Ramurthy himself has written a very nice textbook which is published by McGraw-Hill, and there are other classics like Becker's book as well as Stull, and of course Kinney and Graham is quite well known and very readable book. Um, let us try to look at the course details related to it's a 12-week course starting on 18th of Jan, ending on 9th April. Exam date is 25th April. Enrollment ends on 25th Jan. Uh, because typical category, of course, is mechanical engineering, but students with post-graduation studies in post-graduation, as well as students in their third final years of undergrad in mechanical, chemical, aerospace, metallurgy, applied mechanics are welcome to be part of this course. Thank you.